Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's June 29, 2026. The tech world is mourning the loss of Om Malik, whose groundbreaking reporting and analysis helped shape modern technology journalism. His work influenced generations of entrepreneurs, investors, and journalists worldwide. Zoran Mamdani has emerged as a powerful voice in progressive politics, building influence through grassroots organizing and policy advocacy. His growing political stature is reshaping conversations within the Democratic Party. India's Ministry of External Affairs has clarified that an Indian passport serves primarily as a travel document and does not by itself establish citizenship in legal disputes. The statement comes amid ongoing debates over nationality and documentation. InMobi CEO Naveen Tiwari says artificial intelligence is transforming how people discover information, interact with brands, and perform everyday work. He predicts AI-driven platforms will fundamentally alter the digital economy. A senior US official described the India-US relationship as one of the most important partnerships of the 21st century. The remarks highlighted growing cooperation in technology, security, trade, and critical supply chains. Meta has named entrepreneur Kunal Shah as WhatsApp's global chief, bringing one of India's most prominent startup leaders into a major international role. The move underscores India's growing influence in global technology leadership. California Governor Gavin Newsom has appointed Bhanu Sadasivan to the Santa Clara County Superior Court. Her appointment adds another Indian American voice to the state's judicial leadership. Dr. Kunal Patel has been named Assistant Dean at the UNC School of Medicine. He is expected to play a key role in advancing medical education, research, and student development. An Indian-origin physician has been elevated to a vice presidential leadership role at Valley Health System. The appointment reflects the growing presence of Indian-American professionals in healthcare administration. A new Nepalese restaurant in the Bay Area is drawing attention for its authentic momos and traditional cuisine. Beyond food, the establishment aims to introduce local communities to Nepal's rich culture and heritage. A new analysis challenges common narratives surrounding the Indus Basin water dispute. The article calls for a fact-based understanding of water-sharing agreements and regional realities. Medical experts say persistent heartburn symptoms can sometimes signal more serious digestive conditions. Early evaluation and treatment may help prevent long-term complications. This commentary explores the challenges facing one of the tournament's most overlooked cricket teams. It argues that structural disadvantages often make success far more difficult than results alone suggest. The Texas Super Kings secured a key victory over the San Francisco Unicorns, though fans were disappointed by the absence of star spinner Ravichandran Ashwin. The match still delivered plenty of excitement for the Oakland crowd. The San Francisco Unicorns pulled off a dramatic 2-wicket victory over the Seattle Orcas, thanks to standout performances from Pretorius and Couch. The nail-biting finish kept fans on the edge of their seats until the final moments. Texas Super Kings players brought cricket fever to Cupertino with a lively fan event featuring autographs, photos, and cultural celebrations. The gathering showcased the growing popularity of cricket across the Bay Area. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.